Okay. Nice. Okay, guys, so let me try. Oh fuck, I don't know why it's not working. Let me see on X if it works. Okay. If it works. Okay. I don't know if it works. Okay, YouTube. I think it's working. Bro. Up. Welcome guys in the stream. What's not working? Yo, it's working or no? I'm trying to stream also on X. I don't know why I have notifications. Bro. Okay. Okay. Now it's good, I think. I think that now it's good. So we can stream on X, that's cool. That's pretty cool. Up. Tac. So let me have this here. Let me put it here. Let me put that here. Up. And up. So we have the data right there. I don't know if the stream is working also on YouTube. Sorry, it's the first. Let me put it here. Okay, it's the first time I'm doing this on both Twitter. Better than YouTube, the quality. Oh, really? The quality is nice here? Nice. Okay. Well, let's see what we have here, guys. So, I will keep... I still stream on YouTube. I still stream on YouTube, so I will share the link. Okay. Up. So let me share that. So I took some profit on my longs. Okay, took half profits on my long at highs and edge with a short. Let's see which one we keep. Join the stream here. Up. Should do. That's great. So let's see what we get, guys. Let's see what we get. How are you guys on the X? It's the first time I'm streaming on X, actually. That's pretty funny. We're 100. That's cool. That's way better than on YouTube. Streaming on X. So New York just opened. New York just opened, by the way. We are dumping on the S&P also. Shut the fuck up. We are dumping on the S&P also. At the open, retesting the 1 hour trend. What will be also important on BT is to see if we hold the 1 hour trend here. That'll be very, very important. If we hold here, we can go higher, but if we lose that, guys, that's pretty bad, okay? That's the level to hold for bulls, okay? I mean, that's literally up or down, but again, guys, when you trade, there's no like, yes, you're seeing up or down. No, the price can go up or down. That's a fact, okay? It's binary. It's either 1 or 0, up, down, okay? Even if it's sideways, it's going a bit more up or a bit more down, okay? The really important thing when you trade is to know when to pull the trigger, when the price is going up or when the price is going down. That's it. That's all you have to know, okay? That's why I have multiple triggers. For example, today I took a long here on BTC because we held above the previous monthly value area high. We held above this 2-day composite, okay? And I took the long on a retest, targeting the weekly highs. If we took this weekly high, I would close the short and ride the longs into these levels because we will have less chances to make a new weekly low, and we probably have higher chances to push higher, right? Right now, I want to see how the price reacts here, because if we get back under the value area high of that 2-day composite and under the previous monthly value area high, if we cannot flip that, this is looking pretty bad, okay? So now there's two things. We either hold up here and we bounce and we target this and then we go for higher, okay? Or we lose that and we go lower. So right now, I am in this short to cover, and let's see how it goes. It's perfect for the community and the visibility. Nice, cool. And yeah, I mean, it's good to have both of you guys. Still in long? No, I closed my long entry. YouTube is good, nice. I'm short since 82k, should I hold it? Well, that's a great entry. If you have a big size, maybe take some profits, because we are at some support. But that's a very great entry actually. So yeah. So now let's see how this goes. So now I found a tool with which I can stream on YouTube, stream on X, and I will also be able to stream on TikTok. So I will do some TikTok lives, but I need the permission from TikTok. So I asked them, and I'm just waiting. So now let's see how it goes on TikTok. So I will do some, and the quality is pretty good actually on that. So yeah, let's see. As you can see, I took a little short also here, so let me manage the position. I don't know if I take some profit. Actually, I think it's worth holding it. I think it's worth holding the short. So the long is closed, and I'm just in this remaining. Okay, that's the one-to-one risk reward trade. That's like not a big one, because at the beginning it was an edge. But right now you want to see the reaction here, because if we lose that, guys, it's pretty bad, okay? It can be pretty bad. We want to see the reaction at the point of control here and the reaction at the single print. I feel like we take out the single print. So let's see how it goes. Did you guys took some position or not even? I took a TP1 here. That's lovely. That's lovely. BTC is dropping and the VIP is also printing. That's lovely. Up. So let me show you how I update here. Boom. Long got closed entry and first TP on the shorts. Great. Now risk free on the short. We call this a great day. Lovely. Let me forward it here. Lovely, 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 lovely. Let's fucking go. Now let's see how it goes. That's the level you want to see a reaction. That's the level you want to see a reaction if you're long. Damn, brother, insane patience for that short. Yeah, yes. He has very big patience. My final TP is 55k, but yeah. Well, actually, for me, if we lose like 65k's, like this has potential to go like 50, even 48k. So yeah, who knows? Who knows, guys? Maybe. Who knows, actually? Big dump, actually. Yeah, that was a nasty rejection. S&P is holding pretty well for now. Missed that high today to TP close longs, hoping for bonds here and higher prices for Ethereum. Let's look at Ethereum. Well, Ethereum is holding pretty good also. Let's look at the trend on the 4 hour. Well, 4 hour we rejected from the 21 EMA, and on the 1 hour we are retesting the trend also. But you need a close above that. Honestly, it's not looking that good, because if you look at BTC here, okay, that's what I said in this morning video on X that I posted. We need to hold above that, okay? If we cannot flip the previous monthly value area high, it's pretty bad, okay? Same as reintegrating the weekly value. If we hold above these levels, we can push into this naked weekly view up from last week, even the previous weekly value area low at 78k8. And here 78k, the previous monthly value very low. These levels make sense, but we need to hold, okay? We really need to hold. Why did the music stop? Oh, did I crashed? Looks like I crashed. Fuck. Yeah, looks like I just crashed. Fuck. I know, actually the price is still moving. So I feel like we're back. I feel like we're back. I don't know if the stream was closed on YouTube. I know, actually the price is still moving. No, okay, we didn't close. It was a bug. So great. And on X, I don't know how the fucking live works, because it says 284 views. But so I feel like there's not 280 X, people on the stream. It was like the total views of the stream. Like, are you guys here? Bull markets have more views on stream than bear market. Why? Yeah. Well, I'm also streaming on X. So some people are just on X. But on YouTube, I remember, like last summer, we were doing like 80 to 100 viewers on YouTube. So now we are only 11 on YouTube. So this shows you how the bear market smashed everyone. No one is interested in crypto. But we keep trading because, again, we are day traders, so the price can go to 0 or can go to 200k. It will be the same for us. We have trades every single day, and I mean, I could be trading S&P, I could be trading gold, I could be trading all. I'm trading BTC because that's the ticker I like to trade, but it's the same thing, okay? So yeah, that's important. Shout out to Joey. In our Telegram groups, he also called the dump. But 200 viewers on X, yeah, because I have way more followers on X. But I don't know if it was 300 total views or like 300 viewers right now. I don't know if it just shows 300 viewers on the viewers. I don't think there was 300 viewers because people will be commenting here. I feel like there's less. We cannot really see how much people are on the stream. But I don't know, I feel like it's a good thing to... Now let's see if we bounce. If we reclaim that, I might just close the trade, not even wait for break-even. If we like all above that, I will just close it. But if we get acceptance under that, and as you can see, the profile of these days is very well distributed. Okay, you can see we have a nice D shape. Today we have like not a good distribution, so maybe we have more distribution here, and the price just like stays here for a while. That's a possibility. So let's see. Price just like stays here for a while. For the people on YouTube or on the X stream, are you guys in a trade also? True. Why do you think that people are only interested in the market when they go up? Because they think they can make money when the market goes up and they can't make money when the market goes down, which is false. If you do spot trading, yes, I mean, obviously the market goes down, you lose money, but we are not doing spot trading, we are doing day trading. So the market can go up, down, we don't care. We just trade it on a daily basis. So now let's see if this bounce. If this bounce, that could be a cut. That could be a cut here and maybe a long trigger to higher. I feel like we could have like some scam into like 80Ks, maybe here the start of the nuke, and then lower. That's something I'd like to trade if we get it. Nice reaction of the lows, obviously because of S&P. So yeah, X shows you the viewers in that moment, not total. Oh, really? So there's really 200 viewers on X? Nice. But no one is commenting. Oh, really? So there's really... So let's see how it goes. People in X, just comment hey or whatever to see if there is people here. Or maybe it's just not showing it on my computer. I need to see it. There is people here. Okay, it's trying to push. It's trying to push. I'd like 82. Yeah, 82 will be nice. What's up, cunt? Yo, Marcel. Yo, Lucas. How are you guys? How are you, folks? Almost 400 viewers on X. That's pretty cool. Up. So let's get back to this. Nice bounce of the weekly VWAP. We are trying to get back above the daily VWAP, which is nice. We are also above this 2-day composite. We bounced off the POC, which was a great level. So now let's see. This can be interesting. If we look at the imbalances, we had bullish imbalances here. So I don't really love to be short when the price is holding like that. Okay. I'd rather short when we have bearish imbalances. This is like more logical. You want to short when the imbalances are here, not when the imbalances are here. Okay. So maybe we get another drive up and we can get perp CVD, perp imbalance, spot CVD, bearish divergences, and that could be a great trigger actually. If we look at the statistics of the day, we only have 17% chances to it's not updated. Ah yes, it's updated. 70% chances to take out the daily low, 44% chances to take out the daily low. And we also have 90% chances to either make a new high or a new low, okay? So we might go up actually. But we only have 50% chances to take out the daily high, the weekly high. The weekly high is here. Now, if we do have a rejection here, that's pretty bad, guys. That's pretty bad. Because we really need to reclaim that level to go higher. Hi, Sullivan, how are you? Yo, Marcel. Diego, can I rejoin your VIP? I was reckless with my Zoomits account and took a break, so I got kicked out. Yeah, send me a message on Telegram. As long as you keep trading, we will add you. By the way, guys, for those interested in joining the Telegram, let me put it here. Basic, for example, today we took a long, we took profits here, then we edged with short, and we took profit at the bottom also, so that was pretty good. Everyone is talking in the chat, sharing all the stuff, so that's pretty good. If you guys want to join, I will put the link of the Telegram is in my X description, but I will also give you guys a link so you can join the public Telegram, okay? The public Telegram, let me find it up. So in the public Telegram, guys, I post a bunch of updates, okay? Let me show it to you here. So yeah, in the public Telegram, I post all my updates, etc. and I explain you guys how to join the VIP if you guys want to join. In order to join the VIP, it's totally free. You just have to create an account on one of our partner exchange, deposit, trade, that's it. You don't pay any monthly fee, that's it. And you will be able to be inside the group and catch the trades with us. So if you are interested, here is the link for the Telegram, guys. And the link is also in I've put it in the comments of the stream. And so now let's see how taking 75k would be a generational long. Yeah, that could be nice. Actually, if we take this and we bounce, the thing is that the value of this day, I mean, I don't feel like we're done here today. I feel like we just spend more time inside this composite, okay? So the highs of this composite are here, the lows are here basically. I feel like we take a few days here. Maybe we end the week actually here and we have a huge value. And then what will be interesting will be either to trade the breakdown and target lower, or to trade the breakouts and target 80s, okay? These are my two plans regarding BTC. So yeah, for now I'm still in the short and let's see how it goes, guys. And I fell in love with you. So let's see how it goes. Still in the short and waiting for let's other stuff. They are commenting, yeah. Twitter views are not current, it's total click, but also one person can code and multiple if you click again on the stream. Okay, so that's not 400 viewers. Okay, that wouldn't make sense. That was like too much. Yo, Chinelli, but that's fucked up because I cannot really track how much viewers I have. Maybe on OBS I can see. Yeah, not even. But it will be funny. I will also do some streams on TikTok also. I'm starting again to do on TikTok. Let me make a TikTok, by the way. So let me see. I'm not used to do TikTok, so let's see how it goes. I'm currently streaming on... No. We do it again. I'm currently streaming on X and YouTube, and we just took an insane Bitcoin short. So as you guys can see, we are streaming right now, and this is the short we just took on BTC. Right now, the market condition is pretty hard to trade because the market is just going sideways. Personally, I trade Bitcoin, and I really want to focus on day trading because if you swing trade right now, you have high chances to get stop break-even or like just to get chased on your position. So this is why focusing on day trading is the best thing right now, I think, if you trade crypto. Up, and let me maybe show this. And again, the best way to day trade is to use order flow, market profiles, and the VWAPs. I feel like I feel like a very few people actually use these tools when they trade crypto. They mainly use EMAs or like support resistance or even like the patterns, which is not good. If you want to have an edge, you really want to use institutional tools and tools that not a lot of people use, so you can have an edge and actually beat the other traders if you want to be part of the 1%. I'm currently streaming on X and YouTube and up, and that's posted. No, I don't really trade alts. I mean, sometimes I can trade. I can trade Ethereum or like hype, but on Hyperliquid, the last 2 trades I took were not good. Well, the last 3 trades, I took 1 win the first one and then 2 losses. I don't really have an edge on hype, and again, my system is more focusing on shorts. Okay, I'm more used to short. So for example, this one was a trade I took that almost went to stop loss. Got stopped entry, so that's fine. I exited entry. Then I took another trade around these levels, okay, that I exited perfectly at the lows, okay. No, at these lows, sorry. I took another short that I exited at the lows here. And then I reshorted here, took a loss here, and then I tried another short here that wasn't profiting, got stopped break-even, and now I just don't want to short. I just don't want to short Ethereum. Hype. It's just too strong, guys. It's just too strong. I don't know if we go back to all-time highs. I'm a bit pissed off because I did bout spot here, okay, that I literally sold here, and then I didn't bout again because I wanted a retest of that and I wanted to target these levels, and I feel like now we can just go here. Hype is so strong. I'm exposed, but not a lot. I wanted to be exposed a lot, and I'm a bit pissed off because I was thinking about going all in hype because I had I was bullish on hype like crazy. So I was like, if I enter here, maybe I can have like, we could go back to 14 or 12. I would be in 46% drawdown. If that's my full size, we don't want to be in 46% drawdown. Even if I think that the price will go back here. But the problem is that if we go back to all-time high, that's a plus 160%, and I feel like we can even have a 4x going to like $80, $90. So I'm a bit pissed off because I kind of missed the move on a hype. I hope you guys caught it because I was fucking bullish on it. I always say like hype is just like an easy play, but I personally faded it, so that's a bit sad. So now let's see. Let me get back to X so I can see your comments. 500. What do you mean 500? Oh yeah, 565 views. What's your TikTok, mate? My TikTok is Diego Trades. Diego Trades with like 3S. I will put you my Diego Trades TikTok. Don't know if I can find it like this. Search. Okay, I'm here. My profile. Yo, the video was not posted? Ah, it's being posted. That's... Yo, Gij Daryl, how are you? Thanks for the repost, bro. 1 hour close can be bearish with the EMA. Yeah. If the Nvidia earnings are bad, the whole market's gonna shit. Yeah, probably. S&P looks topish. We're still above the trend, but I mean, historically having such a rally, we pull back. At least maybe to the 50 EMA, but could even take this low and then go higher. But on the S&P 500, you don't want to be short. You want to be spot long. You want to buy it for the long term, okay? So how I recommend you guys to trade S&P 500 on the long run is just to buy any dip bigger than 10%, and you just DCA. And if it goes higher, it does a 30% up, then it does a 10-15% pullback, you buy again. Because if you look at the chart, guys, on the weekly, this is going up only. So there's no reason for this to retrace the whole stuff, okay? It will never retrace the whole stuff. I mean, this will never get back this. Maybe we do have some stuff like this, but that's it, okay? Maybe we just get this. I mean, that's just bullish. That's just bullish, guys. So let's see. For now, BTC is holding and he's trying to hold above that. So if we do hold here, guys, that could be very, very bullish, okay? If we do hold above that, that could be very, very bullish. So let's keep an eye on that. That could actually be a trade, okay? That will actually be a trade. But I'd rather wait for the weekly high to be swept and entering later, okay? Like that could be a setup, actually. That could be a setup, but I'm not willing to enter now because I really want to see the price accepting above that. If we can accept above this, okay, and trade here, take that, trade here, then I want to try to break out of this, okay? Even entering long here with target here and stops here. But here we are kind of anticipating the move, and as of now, we are still under the level, okay? We are still rejecting. So yeah, and S&P is not looking good. We did close the 1 hour above that, but the next 1 hour candle would be very, very important. So let's not rush it. Let's not rush it, guys. That will be my advice for today, folks. Up. I'm good. Miss your streams. Thanks, brother. We are back. Take a bet on Aston Villa today, bro. Easy win. Aston Villa playing against who? Aston Villa against Fribourg. Oh, in the Europa League. Oh, the final. What are the odds? What are the odds on Aston Villa? Well, actually, yeah, that could be a nice one. That could be a nice one. I don't really like that. Let's put it here in case of like that's like an analysis. I'm not in this trade, okay? I'm in short. I'm in this trade. Para. 1.7 for Aston. Just follow your TikTok. Thanks, guys. I think it's around 1.7. Well, that's good, but I don't know. Are you guys betting on it? I want you so. I don't want you. Yes, combined with Rude, and he's just win. Ah, he just won. Nice. But what was the odd for Casper Rude? The odd was very low, right? I mean, it's on clay. It's Rude against like Grubski. The odd was like 115, something like this, no? Might have been a pretty low 2.75. Oh, really? They were 1-0 down on the first leg of the semifinals against Nottingham, I bet, and they will win the Europa League at the moment. 2.75. Oh, nice. Beat Nottingham 4-0 at home in the second leg. Nice. Nice bet, brother. I see they're talking in the... Yo! Look at the wins today in the VIP, guys. Look at the wins. Some wins here. They won here, here. Nice win. Nice win again. Great, guys. Great, guys. Let's fucking go. Use less leverage. Look, someone in the VIP said, I followed your call, but I closed it quickly. I'm not really comfortable when I use 50x. That's why you don't choose 50x leverage, guys. And again, you can use 1000x leverage. What is important is the margin you use. You can use 1000x leverage and risk 2% of your account. Same as you can use 5% leverage and risk your whole account. It depends on the margin. That's a setup for someone. Nice setup actually, but we need to hold. We need to hold for this to play out. But why not? Why not? Let's look at the liquidations. If we only look at the 100x liquidations. If we only look at the 100x liquidation, we have a bunch of liquidation that's at the lows, guys. 50x liquidations, we have up and down. And if we look at the 25x, yeah, not much, not much. So if you combine 50x, 25x, if you combine them all, liquidations are lower. Interesting. Should I do a Rocket League game, guys? Should I do a Rocket League game? Let's do a Rocket League game. Let's play. Let's play. While the market is moving. Market is moving. Oh. Where is my Rocket League? Shit. Shit. I'm not doing the kickoff. My bad. My bad. My bad. Oh. Oh, he got it. Where is my Rocket League? Shit. Whoop. Shit. I'm not doing the kickoff. Up. Let me remove the sound here. Okay, there we go. There we go, baby. This is for you guys. Oh no, he didn't touch it. I wanted to counter. What a save. What a save, man. Well, guys, we made a win on the long. We made a win on the short. So now we just we can just enjoy and play marketing. I mean, that's how trading goes. Shit. Why did he left? They didn't even score. This motherfucker left me 1v2. Fuck. Fuck me. Ah. Come on, guys. Fuck it. I'm leaving the game. Well, they don't want me to play. So, we will not play. Fuck. Fuck it. Well, pretty good setup today. Let me also update in the Telegram. I'm on the make push me to use it. Don't fall for the leverage trap. So let's update in the group up. So basically looking for acceptance under the previous monthly value high. If we do, we ride the shorts lower. If we get back above the 2-day composite value high and the previous monthly value high, we close it and we look for longs. Best long setup will be a sweep of the weekly high and a pullback around the 1 hour trend and the 2 levels I just mentioned. Have a good day, fam. That's it. And again, guys, for those in the Telegram, I want you guys to spam the emojis. I don't have a lot of... I just give you guys a fucking lot of value every single day, and there's not a lot of emojis. So please, be kind with me. Big liquidations here. Up. Looks like the end of the week is going to be funny on BTC. Bryce is killing it right now. Oh, New York plan, Putin malpation, need to hold above here. Yeah, I agree. If we do hold here, why not having a push higher? That's true. But for now, it's accepting under the level, guys. It's accepting under the level and it's pushing lower. It's not looking good. And if we look at hype, let's look at the TPOs. Yeah, the weekly TPOs. I mean, we broke above these TPOs, but if we go back here, yeah, we have a naked POC here. We have the high here. Did we took it? Let's see. Let's put it here. We also have the high just here that we probably took. So if we go back to, to hype, yeah, we took both highs actually. We took both highs, which is interesting. Where is it? Yeah, the peg tool. I mean, you don't really want to trade that, but I mean, that's a possibility, guys. That's a possibility on hype. Even like a larger trade, I mean, like a 2 screw up. That's a nice 2 screw up, but are we really taking that? How to join the Telegram? I gave you guys the link for the Telegram. So in order to join the free Telegram, guys, there's two telegrams. There's the free telegram where I'll share everything. I'll share my trades. I share let me give you guys the link here. Fine. Okay, great. I'm short right now. 76 is here again. Yeah, price moving fast. Yeah, they're trying to hold the price here. For now, good reaction, huh? But look at how the previous monthly value high is strong. Look at how it's strong. They don't want the price to go above that. We really need to flip that. And if we flip that, that could be a long. But for now, we just wait. Regarding the Telegram, guys, there's the free Telegram here where I post all my updates, etc. Sometimes I send free trades, I send educational content, I send analysis. Let me know if you guys want more content here. And if you guys want to join, click the pinned message and you can join the private group with calls with me, real trades, my private analysis, full access to the private community, access to high potential crypto gems before they explode. Sometimes I have some inside infos, weekly educational content session that will start from now on, and 24/7 support. You can message me anytime. You have the chat also, and it's totally free for now. We operate like this. You send us a message, okay? You create an account on one of the three partners, OKX, ZoomX, or Bitfinex. You trade on the one you want. You deposit and you trade there. And as long as you trade, you will get access to this, to a free trading course where there is everything you need to know about trading, the VIP chat, all my analysis every day, okay? That's what I think I posted here, and all my calls. For example, today we longed, we took profit here, and then I edged with a short, and we took profit on the short here. So that was pretty good. And as you guys can see, the members are winning. So if you guys want to join, you just have to join this group, click the pinned message, and send me go to Diego Trades contacts. That's it. So hopefully seeing you guys inside. Oh, nice bounce here on BTC. For me, that's a close. I just closed that. So the trade is now closed, guys. The trade is now closed. And that was a great thing, actually. I took some profit at the lows, gave back. I could have made more, but that's fine. And now I'm not interested in this short anymore. What I want to see is the price holding above here for a potential long or getting back under. If we do get back under this and we have acceptance here, I might short here with stops here. That could have been a great trade. I didn't took it because I was in the short. I didn't want it to hold again. But yeah, let's see. On the 1 hour, they're trying to hold it. I mean, yeah, S&P probably bounced also hard. Oh, there might have been a news, no? I think there was a news. Was there a news? What is the orange moving average and the blue moving average? Running VWAPs. No. Well, the orange moving average is the running VWAP, the daily running VWAP. The blue line is the weekly VWAP, starting from the first New York session of Monday. Okay, so that's it. So now we're holding here pretty clean, pretty clean. Up. Let me update here. Strong bounce of the daily VWAP and weekly VWAP. If we hold above the previous monthly value high and the 2-day composite value high, I will be looking for longs again. Close half of my short at New York lows and close the remaining already. So now back flat. Up. Let me also put that here so they are updated. And there we go. Up. Great. That was a great day. We booked some profits. The P&L curve is going up and to the right. So that's great. Lovely. And I feel like it was a great thing to not short hype. Oh no, well, it's still at the same level. But I don't know. I don't really want to look at this. That was the news. What's the news? Let me see. Trump on iron. We're going to give this one shot. Okay, well, again Trump. Again Trump doing Trump stuff. Yeah, I exited shorts. I exited shorts. No one cares about Trump says anymore. Yeah, yeah. I think that was not the news. The price is just reacting. So again, as you guys can see, it's very important nowadays to be able to take profits very quick, okay? To scalp. Because today, we could have been, for example, in a long here and be stopped entry. No, we longed here, we took profits here, we took a short, so we took half profit on the longs, got stopped entry on the long, but shorted here and took half profit here on the short, and I took some more profit here. So in the end, I made the same profit as I would have done in one trade. I took two trades, half profit, and got stopped entry on both. So that's fine. While if you kept a short or swing, you could have been just making no money. I'm not sure if Bitcoin can pump past 78k 500. Well, for now, we need to just go above the weekly high. That's like the first big level. Like we need to go back above that. If we can go above, that's good. If not, then we just like stay here. You're trading or what? What the fuck are you doing? Show us your P&L. I will not show you guys my size. That's just bullshit. And I think everyone that is showing size on X is either a liar or like that's just nonsense. I mean, what do you want me more to do? I'm sharing you guys live setups. I'm sending the setups in advance. I mean, you want me to trade for you? Are you looking for longs? Yes, I mean, if we hold here, why not? Why not, yeah. Hi, Outer Malik. How are you, brother? Great. Well, today I'm only up 0.57%. That's not a lot, but that's still good, including the fees. I think we dump a bit more before higher. Let's see. For now, we're holding here. That's all right. What's for your holding? A few 30-minute candle or what, G? What do you mean? Ah, yeah. I'd love at least this 1 hour candle and another one. The problem is that if this 1 hour candle, let's go here on the 1 hour. Maybe it's cleaner for you guys. If we hold the 1 hour above here, maybe the next one will just be a push higher. But that's fine. We long the retest if there's one. And if there's no retest, that's fine. I just wait for another trade. I mean, you cannot have all the trades. You can have the right plan, the right analysis, and just don't get entry. But that's fine. You don't want to FOMO. Because the moment you will FOMO an entry, and the price will not go in your way, you will be impacted psychologically. and you will revenge trade, etc. So like, don't try to rush trades. That's stupid. That's not what you want to do. If your win rate is good, why not risk 1% or 2% more? Because on my Okay, I'm back. I'm back, guys. Sorry. My microphone died, and this one died too. So now it's the microphone of the camera. The microphone might be a bit less... it's less good as before. But yeah. Yo, Tyson, send me a message on X or Telegram. You should have reset by this time, normally. Great flip here. So that was a good TP. That was a good TP. Blah, blah. So now let's see. Where is that? Okay, good. You crashed, bro. I did not hear the answer to this. Okay. Oh yeah, my bad. So my win rate is good when 1%, not 2. So I was up 35% going into the month of May. Okay. My target is to make 6% a month. So 6% Jan, 12% February, 18% March, 24% April, 20% May. So I was above my target. And end of May, I should be at 36%. So now I'm up 37%. So I'm back in profit. The thing is that I had a big drawdown this month. Okay. Start of May, I had some losses and I went in a 7% drawdown. Okay. I was still up the year, but I had a drawdown. So I reduced my size and I focused on taking good setups. And so I got back in profit. And now as I reach my target, I'm not going big, okay? Because the market is not good. In the past, I was up a lot and I took more risk and I was rewarded. But the market, I was feeling the market was good. We had like a clear trend. The trend was nice. We had a nice range also at some point. So I was just like range trading. Right now, the market is messy. And I don't really like it. Like this level to trade it, it's pretty hard. So I just want to focus on taking some scalps and making 0.51% on each trade, and that's it. So yeah, at some point you have to focus on like preserving your capital. You don't want to miss opportunities because the trades were like clean. But I wanted to also like not risk a lot, okay? Because same. For example, the short here, like the setup was good, but the real setup would have been loss of the previous monthly value high and confirmation here, which we didn't got, okay? So I anticipated a short here because I was long here, closed some here, and I edged with a short here, okay? And then I closed my long entry, and this is where I made some profits. Close half, and then we pump. This is why I only made 0.5%, because I was edged, and I got half profit on the long and half profit on the short. So that's not a lot of profit, but still two good plays where I made money while the market is not moving, and I just outperformed the market. The market moved 0%, okay, it went up, went down, it's now at 0%, and I made 0.5. So I outperformed the market when I traded. So that's just what you want to have, okay? But now this looks good. I feel like we push higher. I feel like we push higher, guys. I don't know if I want to go back in long here. I mean, if I long here, I'll be risk-free already. What I would like to see is a push here, and then going back long lower, okay? Retesting this day's POC. Like the perfect play for me will be this. The perfect play will be, no, let's keep this so we have the image here and we go here. The perfect play for me will be taking the weekly high. So now we have low chances to take out the weekly low, basically. I don't like the fact that we left a poor high at the weekly low, by the way. So that's a confluence for being careful on longs. Flipping that, okay. Retesting why not, or having acceptance above previous monthly value high and the 2-day composite value high, okay. And also retesting and being above this day POC. So let's say tomorrow, fuck, is it not working? Let's say tomorrow we are above, okay? Like we close the price here, we trade here, tomorrow we take the weekly high, we have a retest here of the POC and of this. This is where you want to go long, with probably stops here, okay? Even stops here if you want, but I'd put my stops here actually, and I could even like get out here if we trade here and the price is holding under this level. So that's pretty much how I would play it. That's pretty much how I would play it. I don't know if you guys have any questions, but this looks clean right now. This looks pretty clean. By the way, we reached 1,000 views on X. That's nice. And again, it's the additional views. That's not like 1,000 people on the stream right now. I'll be naked. I'll be naked right now. Just to see who is here, can you guys try to send a little message in the chat? By the way, guys, would you guys be interested in the new decks? I know some people working on the decks. There will probably do an airdrop. There will be points. I think we can be very early because we can be at the beta stage. So I will maybe make a video about it and share a little bit about it. But that could be interesting because I missed the hype airdrop. I made nice money on Aster, not with the airdrop. I made money with the airdrop, but I made more money just buying Aster at the lows and selling at the highs. By the way, I shared it to you guys. I know a lot of people in the community made a lot of money with that, so that's great. And now with that one could be nice, maybe to farm the airdrop. Who knows? Who knows? So let's see. And now let's just wait for maybe the 1 hour candle or stuff like that. Yo, Marcel, still here. Lovely, bro. Yo, here and hype, interested, cool. Watching here. Okay. Nice, guys. I see some people on YouTube, some people on X. I try to look at both messages. It's complicated. I have like a bunch of... I have like the chart here, and the chat here. I have another computer here. So... it's not easy to read everything. What are your thoughts about Olise playing for France and not knowing how to speak French? Well, he never lived in France, so I mean that's not a problem. I believe his mom or his father is French, and his mom or his father is from UK. So he grew up in the UK. So he just spoke English. So that's not a big deal. And he's very good, so that's good to have in the French team. Don't know what you guys think, but... let's look at the data a little bit. We're still above the daily VWAP, but the price is holding for now. Regarding hype, this is tempting, guys. This is tempting. I don't know if I want to take this. You're taking this trade long? No. I'm not in this trade at all, guys. I am not in the trade. What about the liquidity above 82k? You think that's possible to take it? Yeah, actually. I feel like this is the most obvious target. 78k, 700. We have the 7-day rolling view up, 30-day rolling view up. Poor high here. We left this high. We have this gap right here, so it'll be interesting even that poor high. So yeah, why not? So let's see. But as long as we hold above the 2-day composite value high and the previous monthly value high, this is looking alright. Lbank doesn't require KYC. No, it doesn't. It doesn't, brother. Going long, nice. What's your target in validation, brother? Hype will go to $50 max and then we'll pull back or correct. Yeah, probably. I just joined, that's why I'm asking you in short. No, I was in a short from here. So if you want to see how I played it here. So initially I longed at the previous monthly value high, okay? So I longed here. Then we had a nice bounce, and here I took half of the profit at the local highs and I hedged with a short. Okay, 1-to-1 risk reward, but we'll trade the stop loss above weekly high if we lose the first monthly value high and add size. That's what I wanted to do, but we didn't have a breakdown of this. Maybe we'll have later, but for now this is looking alright. Okay, and then close the longer close entry after half TP. And I was taking half TP here at the lows on the short, and then I got stopped. I took profits whenever we broke above the previous monthly value high, and that's it. That's pretty much how I played today's move. Okay. What I don't like is that we still have liquidation lower. I mean, if we dezoom, it's a game of perspective. If you dezoom, you have a bunch of liquidation, 83, 84, and you have here. Okay. And if you dezoom more, you have more liquidations at 64Ks. But if we reduce the noise and we focus on what we have in front of us, and we decrease the leverage, if we look at only 50x and 100x leverage, we have a bunch of liquidations just above us and just under us. Okay, so these are the levels I'm wanting to play for this week. for this week, sorry, for up, fuck, top, these are the levels I am looking to trade this week if given. Basically, now that's what you want to see, guys. That's what you want to see, okay? We either hold above that, we either hold above this, okay, the monthly value, and we can trade up to this, and then probably up to the previous monthly VWAP, or even the value high of the monthly, the previous one. And if we lose that, I'd be looking to trade toward the lows and probably towards previous monthly VWAP, which is at 73k600, and could even go to 69. Okay, so let's keep an eye on that. Very, very important level. And the price is trying to make a move here, but for now we also have the order book imbalance depth in red, well, not in a big red, but still, and we are above these moving support resistance, the daily and the weekly VWAP. So no rush, no rush. Like that could be a long, actually, like here, long here, targeting these levels even higher, but like, I mean, at least this, okay, and having like a stop here, or even like a stop here, like that makes sense. Like that's actually a great setup. Problem is that I don't want to force a long right now. I took 2 trades today. I don't want to force a long, but I could have taken that trade actually. The problem is that I want to give it more time. I like to wait a daily candle. I like to wait a daily close. So let's see how it goes, guys. But yeah, no rush right now. Yo, Dokan, how are you? I'm finding you. Guys, the problem with the stream is that I smoke so much Hikos during the streams. Because you know, it's like being at a party or like at a bar. You're with your drink, you're with your cigarettes, you talk. Like that's very European stuff. But I don't like I'm speaking. I need something in my hand to. I'm joking. So let's see how it goes. S&P is holding. Let's look at gold. Oh, gold is bouncing also today. On gold, I'd like the lows to be taken, or at least like the wick to be filled here. That'll be great. Good, bro. Waiting for this boring market to show direction to enter some trade. Yeah, exactly. Market has been pretty boring in the past few days. Oil is still above the daily trend, compressing. I don't like the patterns, but we have like kind of this. So at some point, it will go up or down. I don't think we will have sideways forever. Like we need to like take these highs. Okay, this one, this one, this one. Or like take this and this, you know. We also have a gap here. The gap from the start of the war here. But it's very, it's like 67. So don't do that. Don't do that. And it's this 67 shit is horrible because every time, I mean, a lot of time you will speak to someone who will say, yeah, I mean, I did that like 6 or 7 times or like 67, whatever, and like you think about it, you're like, fuck, and I'm so pissed off to say this and think about that fucking stupid kid, man. Like, what the fuck? The daily is good on ES. Thor is trying to go back above the trend. 1 hour also. That's looking good. Let's use the daily TPOs. Maybe we can have some profile. No, we don't have any inside day. Well, today is an inside day, so yeah, we have like some resistance here, value very low, value very high here. Why not having some distributions lower? Could be interesting. Like could be trigger otherwise to this level, okay? But I'd bet more on that shit. And that will push PT lower, actually. So yeah. Well guys, well in total we had 1,100 views on the stream. That was great. I don't know what's the average. I don't know where I can see the statistics. But that was a great stream. If you guys have any other question before I go, let me know here, any whatever. And if not, I will see you guys tomorrow for the next stream. So I'll stream tomorrow. Friday I will not stream, and then I will try to stream Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. These 3 days, every week. Because Monday and Friday I can't, and maybe I will do some streams sometimes randomly. Maybe the Monday I will do like a stream overnight or whatever. So yeah, let's try. I will try to make way more content. I will also post more on TikTok, Instagram. So yeah. I don't know if you guys have any more questions before I go. What's the giveaway? There's no giveaway today, guys. There is no giveaway today. We will start again the giveaway from tomorrow or from after tomorrow or from next week. We'll try to do $100 per stream to you guys in your trading account. So yeah. So keep updated for the next streams. Cool. Every week stream coming. Yeah. I'm back. I took a little like break. Well, not really a break because I was working my ass off on other projects. But yeah. So have a good one, guys. Don't know if there's more questions. See you, brother. On X, no more question also. So have a good one, guys. Again, the link of the Telegram is in the comments of the stream, or is also in the description or in the reply tweet, or also in my X bio. So see you guys inside the Telegram. I will send the updates and the next trade inside the Telegram. What do you think along now? If we draw that level, why not? But I'd be more waiting too long if we take the weekly high and we get a retest around this level to like get a trigger here with stops here, okay? Because here I don't like to go long here and the price going here and accepting, because that will be a short setup and I will be in a long. So right now I have mixed bias, so I'd rather wait. So yeah, have a good one, guys. Thanks for the stream and see you tomorrow for the next one. That